have conversion from base 2 to base 10. This conversion is a situation where we be given a mathematical question in base 2 and we'll be asked to what? To convert it into base 10. Now the questions are: convert the following to base 10. A 111 base 2, B 100 base 2, and of course C is 110. So look at the questions we have on the board and we are asked to convert them from base 2 to base 10. Remember I told you earlier that the counting numbers in number system is done between 0 and 1. There is not any other digit higher than 0 and 1 that is being used in the conversion or in the number system. So in this case, you can see that the first we have 111 base 2. We cannot pronounce it as 111. Rather, we pronounce them one after the other. 111 base 2. B 1000 base 2. C 110. We're asked to convert them into what? Into base 10. They are given in base 2. So now the solution of A, remember I told you it is done by what is called successive multiplication. So what we shall simply do is we first take the first term and we multiply by the what? By the given base, which is 2. Then we say plus, we have finished with the first one, then we say plus 1 times 2 again, the given base. We have finished with the second term, then we go to the last term, plus 1 times 2. What next? The next is giving the base or powering the base starting from 0 in a descending order, meaning from the end to the first one. And it's only the base that we are going to power. We start from 0, 0, 1, 2. What next? The next is taking care of the base and the power. Therefore, we have 1 times 2 to the power of 2, or 2 square. It means 2 times 2, which is what? Which is 4, plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 is of course 1, because it is 2 times 1. So it's 1 plus, is 2 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 0. So 2 to the power of 0 is 1. It's a law in mathematics. According to the law of indices, any number power 0, the result is 1. When it is 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, as far as that number is raised power 0, is raised to the power of 0, the result is 1. Therefore, times 1. What next? Now we are going to make use of what is called BODMAS. When you have an expression in mathematics, you first deal with the bracket, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we follow this order. We don't have bracket, we don't have division, but we have multiplication. Then we treat the multiplication first. That's 1 times 4, which is 4, plus 1 times 2, which is 2, plus 1 times 1, which is 1. Therefore, what is the result? Then we what? We add all this together. 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Therefore, we have 7 base 10 because we are asked to convert it into base. We are asked to convert it into base 10. So this is what the final answer for question 1A. So going to the second one, that's question 1B, we have 1000 base 2. We are going to follow the same process that we have followed in the first one. What are we going to do first? We take each term and multiply by the what? By the given base. The given base is 2. Therefore, we say 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus the second 0, 0 times 2 plus the last one 0 times 2. We multiply each term by the what? By the given base. Now what next? We have to what? Power the base, starting from 0 in its descending order. Therefore, we start 0, 1, 2, 3. What next? The next is what? Is taking care of the what? Of those digits with the powers. Therefore, we have 1 times 2 to the power of 3 is same as 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, that's 8. Therefore, plus 8 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 2, that's 2 times 2, is going to give us what? 4 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 1 is of course 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 0 is what? 1. Like I told you, law of indices, any number as power 0 is 1. So now we have arrived at this. Now what next? We what? We multiply. We take care of the multiplication. We say 1 times 8 is 8 plus 0 times 4. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Plus 0 plus 0 times 2 is of course 0 plus 0 times 1 is of course 0. Therefore, we have 8 base 10. Then going up to C, that says 110 base 2. We are also given this one to convert from base 2 to base 10, which we are going to follow the same process we have followed in solving A and B. Therefore, in this case, we have 1 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2. Having arrived at this stage, then we what? We give them the place value, or we power the what? The base from 0 in a descending order. There we have 0, 1, 2. What next? As usual, is what? Multiplying or taking care of those digits with the power. 2 to the power of 2 is 4 plus 1 times 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 0 times 2 to the power of 0 is 1. The next one is taking care of the multiplication. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 times 2 is 2 plus 0 times 1. As I told you, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Then 4 plus 2 plus 0 is 6 base 10. That is the final answer for this. Thank you for watching.